Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change ringtone or alarm tone on iOS 17. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. So the first would be for your ringtone, and for that you simply have to access your settings on your phone, and you have to, let's go back first, and this kind of information interface gonna appear. Go ahead, tap on the sounds and haptic option. Now here in this section you will find this option called ringtone. If you go to this ringtone section, you already have the ones that you have chosen, and you can change it to whatever you like just by tapping on them like this, and it will simply change it. Now you can go back, and that is how you can simply change your tone according to yourself here in iPhone for ringtone. Other would be, if you want to change it for your alarm, you first have to access your clock. Go ahead, access your clock, and let's say you have set yourself in alarm, and then you're going to tap on it, and then you find this option called sound, right? Go ahead, tap on the sound. Now just like we did for the ringtones here in the settings section, now we can choose it to anything. We can simply choose it according to our liking, or just like that. That is the way we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.